Hello everyone, my name is Devarn, and this is New Touch Auto Dipping. Nah, y'all, I'm joking, man. But listen, I'm Devarn. This is New Touch Auto Dipping. In this video, we're gonna be working with the black emerald metallic gloss finish in Hyperdip. Oh yeah, that's something new to the product line. Now Hyperdip actually started with the shadow black. Then they came out with the anthracite gray. Both of those finishes will give you a satin finish. Now we got some new competition. We got some gloss competition in effect. They got the piano black. It has a gloss finish. It's said to be good for your trimmings, like your window trimmings, your chrome trimmings, anything on your body line or your body panel. This emerald black metallic is said to be perfect for your wheels because it's gonna give you that factory look, just like the regular wheels when they produce it from the factory. But we're gonna see at the end of this video, all right? So we got the charger back here, right? You see them wheels? We're gonna hook them up. We're gonna give it that gloss effect. So we're gonna see what this Hyperdip talking about, all right? So y'all stay tuned. Oh, this is not a tutorial, by the way. Now this video here is pretty much just gonna glide through and show you the effects, and it's like a review, all right? If you wanna know more about installing and a tutorial on how to install, I got it right here. It's gonna educate you and tell you exactly how you install the shadow black Hyperdip. Pretty much similar, all right? Y'all stick with me. Let's go. Here are the wheels that I'll be working with today. Now you see on this vehicle, you see some extra color in there, right? That's plastic dip, satin black. Previously I did that maybe 2 years ago. But this customer wants to take that off. They want that okie doke. So we're gonna go ahead and hit them with it because they want to match that paint that's on that vehicle. What I'll be doing is hitting it with the dip dissolver first and then pressure washing that off. It'll be gone just like butter. Make sure everything dry, then it's showtime. We're gonna give them that okie doke. video, and if you rolled it out with me from that point on to now, I appreciate you sticking it out. Black, emerald, metallic, gloss, hyperdip. All them words are for real. It's the truth. Fonzie told us, man, look, that man said, look, you're gonna get everything you need out of this one product. You got like 3-step process in one. To be successful in life, you gotta follow 2 rules. Rule number 1, follow the instructions. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. If you follow them instructions, finish it out strong, don't shortchange and shaving points trying to finish something off halfway, you ain't gonna come out right. Cause you ain't gonna get that right there doing that. That's success, man. This customer wanted something different, and we gave him that okie doke. That's it. Now I'm gonna give you a view of what it looks like with the sun up and what it looks like with the sun down. Now I hope y'all appreciate this video because I got more to come. If you ain't subscribed, it's simple. Hit the subscription button down there. It's free. Now I hope to see y'all in the comments, and I thank y'all for checking me out. Thank you.